Hello, my name is Quang Anh Nguyen. My student ID is 50243466. Um, I'm student of LAT 112 Data Science Concept. This is my dictation task, and it is that I will analyze YouTube video about COVID public by Fox News, BBC News, CNN, NBC. Let's go to my data preparation and data cleaning. So about the data preparation, it is that I have to run your code, like execute your code, your function here to in your collect file to create your comment.csv and your video .csv file. Um, and after that, uh, use your I use your uh, I also use your a function which is the clean data in your collect file to clean your data, but I noticed your data didn't just it didn't yet cleaning. Um, it also has some uh missing value, and I uh, clean it again and uh, drop off the new value left. And I also have to like change your data type of some column into your right into your data type. They should be like your public. They should be your data type. Oh, let's go to my question. Like in this start, I choose the two question uh answer. Like I choose the two first question, which is the E11 and E12. Let's talk about your E11 first. Um, your question require me to compare your distribution of number of view line common for your video. And here's my code. Your first line is a list. I I created to contain your column that I will work with, like your view count, like count, comment count. And your second one is con- is list to contain your title for my plot, your subplot comment, which is tlt dot subplot. It will create three subplot. Uh, and let's go to your follow. Your follow here um will be used to draw each subplot respectively. Like as you can see, your first code in your follow, which is due to draw your histogram chart, and your next trio is the as used to custom your label and your title. This is my result, and this is my observation. As I see, uh, like three of these subplot is right skew, like your distribution of view count and your like count, your comment count is the highly right skew. Um, in your view count situation, it uh I I saw that your video most of video have a really low view. However, like some video have a significantly higher view than other. Um, uh, with your like in your light cow situation is also similar to distribution view, but but uh like I think but like your uh I mean your number of like will be lower than your view count. Like it is consistent with typical viewer behavior. Your third one, your common cow plot. Uh, it is to a different to first subplot because like your common is much lower than your line and your view. Like it shows that like most of most of the viewer don't leave a comment. I didn't leave comment. Let's go to your E12. At the first one, I also make the E12. What is the total number of view line comment for your video published by different publisher? Like Uh, at the first one, I also make your title, like make a title list to contain your title for my subplot. Uh, the next one is I will create data frame. This data frame will contain view count, like count, comment count, and channel title, and it will like contain your um total or total of view count, total of like count, and total of comment count in it. The next one is subplot. It will create the three subplot. Yeah, it's the same as the first one. Uh, at the for loop. So your for loop, your first code in your for loop is internet dot bar plot. It was used to draw the subplot. Um, and your Y and your X is your label, is the name of the label. Your data is data set. I used to draw the subplot. Each that is total, and your axis and your plot is like your axis is your. I use it to identify your position. I draw it in your um, subplot grid, and your muted at your plot muted equal muted is like just to um, make the color of the bar chart look different. Yeah, and let's talk about my and this is my result. Um, let's talk about my observation. Like here, mostly I see the highest value is belong to CNN, and I also saw that like the more view the more view a channel get, the more like the more common they get. Yeah, yeah, it's a pattern for channel. I use here. And your let's talk about your challenge. Met I have to face in this task. So your biggest challenge is to yeah, I have to like install all of this library to the do my to the to done my task, to do my task. Um, and yes, problem, yeah, like when installing uh, your problem, is your problem, like sometimes it will tell me um, your your library doesn't my window didn't have just a library, and I have to install it like your instruction, like your pip install, but it didn't work because it due to your my antivirus, so I just turn it off your antivirus and install your library, and it's work. Yeah, this is my end of report.